Welcome to Linux Help. Today's topic is installation of known CMS on Linux Mint 20. Known CMS is a free and open source content management tool and also a publishing platform to share different types of posts like photos, notes, stories, songs, etc. It is written in PHP and can be used with an types of database. In this tutorial, we'll cover the installation of known CMS on Linux Mint 20. First, I'm check the version of OS. My Linux Mint version is 20. I'm already installed LAMP service. Now I'm moving to download the known CMS package. Before that, I'm create a database of known CMS. Create database. Create user. The database is created. Now download the known CMS package by using wget command. The package is download. Now extract the package. Now move the known directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permissions of known directory. Now configure the virtual host for known CMS. Here I will enter some lines to known.conf file. Quit and save the file. Now disable the default site access. Now enable the site access for known CMS. Now enable the rewrite module. Now restart the Apache service. Now switch your browser and enter your host name. This is the welcome page of known CMS. Check the requirements of known CMS. Now configure the database settings. After you enter the database details, click onwards. Now create admin credentials. Hit register. This is the dashboard of known CMS. This is the method how to install known CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.